All right, guys, so as you just saw, we installed the Westin Outlaw Front Bumper. It's a pretty cool bumper. Gives you high clearance. I mean, everything has its flaws, has its benefits. The nice thing with these Westins, they're actually a pretty high quality bumper, and Westin makes actually a pretty high quality product with a lower cost. They're more of an entry level. So if you're not going to be taking your truck to the Baja to go, I mean, just go crazy with it, you want a good high clearance bumper, give yourself some more room, get some larger tires, things like that. These guys actually make several different models, super good bumpers. So I'm going to flip the camera around, we're going to walk through it, let me talk to you real quick about it, and then we'll get y'all out of here. All right, there we go. So here's what we're looking at. These Westin bumpers are actually made out of steel, not aluminum, things like that. So they make light pod mounts that'll bolt in here, and you can do dual squares or dual round pods. This guy's also made for a 30-inch light bar. We'll do a video on that later. Does come with a skid plate, heavy duty steel brackets bolted into the factory bumper brackets. So earlier, whenever I mentioned that there is some modification and trimming you have to do, so this fin that sticks down here does have to be cut. So let me just throw this out there, guys. Once you decide on this bumper, there's no going back. This bumper is the bumper you're going to have on for the life of the truck, unless you want to pay to replace this piece and have it painted to match the truck, or find another bumper that has to have the same cut made. Don't be scared of that though, guys. I don't think that anybody is going to have a complaint with this bad boy going down the road. It looks good. It has high clearance, opens those front of those tires up, makes it nice. So I am super happy with it. All right, let me flip y'all back around here. There you are. All right, guys, so that's the Westin Outlaw front bumper on a half-ton Trail Boss. Just to clarify, this is a 21 model. We'll get into the light bars, the pods, and you know, the fun goodies that go with it in another video, but for right now, this is where we're gonna leave it. Like, subscribe, comments, questions, drop them, let me know what y'all think. Seriously, guys, if y'all come up with something y'all want to know about that I haven't done a video on, give me a shout. Throw a comment down there and let me know what it is, or give us a call at BTR Outfitters. So all right, guys, we appreciate it. We'll see you on the next one.